Let's play a little just between you and I. I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be close if I was Tarzan and Jane Marilyn if I was.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I want to review this wig that I got from ISEE Hair. So thank you guys so much for watching today. This is how my wig came. This is the packaging. I have a 22-inch Kinky curly unit and it is actually a half wig. So I want to show you guys what it looks like right out of the packaging. The hair looks really good. I didn't have any issues with it at all. There was no smell to it. The curls are really cute. And then, like I said, it is a half wig. So it does have the combs all around the perimeter for you, as well as an adjustable strap, and then you can also adjust the back, and then it does have a drawstring in the back as well, so you can do multiple hairstyles with this unit. You can put it on as a half wig, you can do a ponytail with it, half up, half down, but for me I decided to do a regular wig install, and then a couple of days later I did a half up, half down. So I really did enjoy this unit. I honestly love anything that gives you more of a natural look. So I love V parts and U parts, as well as these half wigs. They look very natural. They're super easy to install. As you can see, for me in my install, I didn't even do any braids. Literally, you just put it on with a ponytail in the back. Now, I was able to do that, however, because the hair is so big, because I have curly hair, you're not going to see like a lump or a hump. But if I was to be wearing like straight hair, I would have did something a little different for my hair underneath the wig to make sure it was flat. But now let's get into the actual curls and like just the actual unit here. The hair on this unit was very nice. As you can see, I'm just brushing it out. I'm not having trouble at all. I didn't use any water for that initial brush out. And now I'm adding water just because I want to see like how the curls react to water, how the hair takes, everything like that. So I tried to comb it out first, again, to see how the hair would react and do. It combed out very well. No shedding. I did get like a little bit of shedding because of course I am brushing it out, but you can see here, this is when the hair is wet, how easily my brush is going down the hair. No issues whatsoever. So curly hair is always some maintenance, it just is, but this is a low maintenance curly hair. So I always love this. And like I said earlier in the video, I did wear this hair for honestly about a week, and I didn't have to re-comb out the wig. So I would wear the wig and then at night just take it off and put it on the wig head, and I could come back the very next day and put it right on my head without doing anything else to it. So when I say it's low maintenance, it really is low maintenance. I feel like you could definitely wear this on vacation, again, with taking it off at night and then just putting it back on in the morning, because it's really no problem putting it back on the next day. Very low maintenance. And the water with it, the curls look even prettier. They just popped. And I also like how the hair dries. So honestly, altogether, I really enjoyed this hair and the wig. I got a good wear out of it. Really love it. The only thing that I would say is after about a couple of days wearing the unit, the hair did get a little too big for my taste, but I have seen some people kind of frame the curls to their face or to their head. I did not do that. I just wore my wig straight out of the packaging, which was also cute. But after like 5 days, you might want to revamp the hair, wet it again, either shampoo it. You want to do something to it. My hair did get pretty big after about 5 days. Now for the hair, I'm just adding in some of my curl custard. I like to add this in honestly for the smell, and then it just makes the hair look hydrated. I don't think the hair needs it. I honestly feel like if you were to mix water in conditioner, that it would be just fine. But I personally like the Miel Curl Custard. I like the way it smells, so I always put it in my curly hair, and it just keeps the hair really moisturized. And again, it leaves the hair looking shiny without you, so it helps you to be able to, like I was saying before, wear it all day long, take it off, and just put it right back on the next day. So that's honestly the only thing that I put in this hair. I didn't do any oil or anything like that. So I would personally say that the hair is good. This wig is definitely worth buying if you're looking for something for summertime that's pretty easy for you to wear. So for my leave out, I don't know what I was doing. Before my leave out, I straightened my hair. I just didn't feel like working with my real hair. Well, not my real hair, but I didn't feel like working with my natural hair in its natural state. So I did leave my hair flat ironed, and I decided to wrap strands of the wig with my leave out, and that worked perfectly fine for me. Every time that I let my hair be in its natural state with a curly unit and I try to do this same method, my natural hair dries down differently than the weave, so that just doesn't work for me. But this way, it's super blended. As you can see, you can't tell where my hair is and where the wig is, so I definitely love that method. I did also use some black spray to kind of cover where the wig starts and my hair starts. I didn't leave that much leave out so you could kind of see it, but with that black spray, it helps camouflage everything. Now this is the hair about 3 days later, maybe even 4 days later, but I had been wearing the wig, and as you can see, the curls look really good as well. I didn't do anything to them in this part here. I've done nothing to it but take the wig off at night and put it back on, so the curls still look amazing. And I was just ready to do another style, but you can see that the hair is starting to get bigger, which I like here, but after like the 5-day mark, I just decided to revamp the curls to give it more of a fresher look. But all in all, honestly, I would say that this hair is definitely worth the buy. Love it. I love half wigs, V-part wigs, U-part wigs, anything that gives you a natural look that you can do with minimal leave out. So I'm just doing my basic half up, half down. And like I said, you can also do a ponytail. It's just very versatile. So if you have not tried a half wig, definitely try them out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like it if you like it, of course. Subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.